Hello everyone, so we are going to talk about today in our channel and your favorite channel, Live Study, and the topic is nitrogen atmosphere. So we all know that nitrogen is the largest single source as atmosphere and it is widely constituted in air. Now let's talk about what is nitrogen. So the atmosphere of earth or air is layer of gases retained by earth gravity that surround the planet forms this planetary motion and its atmosphere. The atmosphere of earth protect life on earth by creating pressure allowing liquid and water to exist. So basically it helps in UV, warming, greenhouse effect and so many things, and its mole fraction in dry air contains 78% nitrogen, 20% oxygen, 0.93 argon, zero point 0.4 carbon dioxide and small amount of other gases. So you all know that air also contain variables and in which nitrogen has main role. Now let's talk about the life cycle. As you can see, nitrogen cycle. So there are green gases involved, there are atmosphere nitrogen involved, there is agriculture activities involved, when you burn fossil fuels, then there is a fresh water, soil erosion occurs, and you can see that ocean circulation is also there, production of biomass, photosynthesis, nutrient level. So it all constitute as a cycle. We call it as nitrogen cycle because everything is just interrelated to each other. It can be agriculture, it can be ocean, it can be air, it can be UV rays, and it can be soil quality or erosion. So when everything is interrelated and we have a relationship, because we cannot live without one another. Now let's talk about what is history. So biological nitrogen fixation was discovered by Jean Baptiste Bosengold in 1838 and it was later in 1880. The process happened discovered by German agronomist. His name was Hermann and Wilfert. So described Dutch microbiologist, and it was also investigation of plants, nitrogen by Sauser, Villela or Gilbert, another accumulation of discovery of symbiotic fixation by Hellrith, Waldrith in 1887. So this was the main result that came through when it was just the starting, was the history. Now let's talk about the experiment. So Boselgut experiment in 1855 with Pearl, Gilbert and Lowell in 1887 that nitrogen did enter into the plants directly, and the discovery of nitrogen fixation bacteria for Hermann and Hermann Wilfert happens in new era of soil science. We now call it soil microbiology. There are some bacteria involved: Agrobacter, Azotobacter, diazotome, diatomic nitrogen and income nitrogen cycle. So that's all about the introduction of nitrogen cycle. I hope you like it. If you like it, please comment down below and tell me if you like it, if you understand everything. I'm going to make a part 2 of nitrogen fixation. Till then, thank you and subscribe to Life Study. You'll get more benefits.